Minds. And for Team Philippines, na nakita natin yung napagandang serye na to, makakausap din naman ata natin ang PLPH. Malapit na sila matulog sa playoffs. Kaya naman kausapin na natin ang PLPH kasama ang ating mga host sa big stage.
Talk about a roaring victory from the cavalry. Here are your winners, Team Liquid Philippines! An insane effort. Rekta yun sa reverse sweep, Carl Kesey. This was one of the teams that actually defeated you from the first round. And I want to know more about your approach in this game. Kasi pinakitaan kayo ng game number 1, specifically nitong si Shone. As, you know, hindi naman to offensive pero sa MPL, a lot of people are branding you as an old god na. Kasi current marami na tayong mga current players na nagpupunta dito mismo, but you were able to shove them off at nakuha ang parami niya na ito. So, talk to us about the mindset na gusto nyo mawian lahat ng mga teams sa second round.
Ano po, yung sa game mo kasi parang sobrang straightforward na approach sila sa game. Talagang puro makukunan sa may na-rundown kami. Tapos parang in-adjust lang namin yung sa game to game train drafting na wag namin bigay yung mga ganong heroes.
That's props to Coach RC because of the drafting as well. I mean, he's also calling the shots together with you, right?
And Carl, how do you keep yourself composed sa mga ganitong matches na nakikita natin? Game number 1 was very decisive for Twisted Minds, and nakita natin na game 2 and 3 ay talagang kita namin yung eagle.
Ano lang po, siguro po sa experience na lang din kasi sanay na ako sa atin, natatalo kami lagi.
I mean, you have to, commend the effort na yung pinapakita niyo ba rin. Kasi kahit nung game 1, di ba, sobrang dikita niya laban. I'd like you to pass the mic to Sanji as well. Sige, JP, give it over to Sanji. There were a lot of people that commended you in that game number 1 nung ginamit mo yung Farsa. 3v1 situation, akala namin game over na, pero napatagal mo pa paunti-unti yung laban. Bukas, you're gonna be going up against Aurora. Inaabangan yun ng sobrang daming mga tao. What are we gonna expect from you as a mid laner specifically?
Gagaling ako na lang. Salamat na kasi nakasita ako ng training nila.
Yue, and speaking of, kasama doon syempre si Yue as the mid laner. Sanji, nakikita mo ba siya as your rival?
Ako.
Is he the only mid laner that you see so far? Kung sasabihin natin na, sige,